Hello, my name is Pelumi and I am solo driving from London to Lagos.
By road?
That's risky, Sha.
Yeah, that really makes sense depending on what she wants to achieve. I know there are many people who have done it for Guinness World Record, some people to travel all over the continent, and then some people just to tour the world. So it's a really nice concept.
Hey, that is serious. So interesting for her to drive all the way from London down to Nigeria. It's very funny. I've not heard about it, but I don't think it's possible that she can drive all the way from London down to Nigeria. It's not possible. Ojo,
I think that she has a screw loose. No, for you. Why would you travel by road? From where? London.
How about the white and man's? Like,
It's even Joseph. I mean, Joe, whichever one, how it's pronounced.
Wait, is London connected to Nigeria by road?
Wow, that's ridiculous.
very far by herself from London to Lagos. How is it possible? You can't go by road to London.
Is it possible to drive from London to Lagos? I should go to get the fuel to fuel her tank to get from London to Lagos. It's going to be very enormous.
It doesn't sound so bad when you think about it, Sha.
It's not going to be fun. It will be stressful. It's not convenient.
Maybe she's doing it for the clouds though.
The fact that she's actually daring for me, I admire that. I mean, it's not everybody that can actually think of it. Even actually put it into like real life. So kudos to her bravery.
But I think she's very strong and she's capable. For a lady to actually drive from London to Africa, she's strong. She's a strong woman.
How many countries has she been to? How has the journey been like? How is she documenting her journey? And then how does she feel? Yeah.
What motivated her? What was the drive behind that kind of decision? Like, what pushed you to do that kind of thing? That's what I'm going to ask her. And how was the journey for her? How was she able to fill the car back? How was she able to eat when she was hungry? And that's what I'll ask her.
Why drive? Yeah, that's the main. I need to get her to tell me why exactly, because I don't believe it's just for the view. I don't believe that.
First of all, how was your trip?
Like, no. What inspired her, like, for that?
Then
like,
exactly, what like brought up the idea? Like, what made you
what pushed
want
you?
to do something like that?
Like,
I've not asked how she did it. I mean, it will be a unique thing for her, for a lady to drive from London to DC. To be a unique thing. As must have broken the Guinness Book of Records. And I will appreciate her.
Try to go out of your comfort zone.
to me, as a moral, I feel like you should use what you have. You don't have to wait till you have a lot of resources before you do what you want to do. Start with what you have. Rome was not built in a day, so with the little you have, you can do more.
Yeah, I mean, it's all documenting everywhere she has been to and learning about different places, different communities. I mean, she will see what we don't normally see on a normal day or what the news don't carry. So it will be a good, very good eye opener.
I would have like, okay, why not factor in a big car into all your plan and everything? But like, you can actually use what you have to achieve what you want. It just depends on,
it's true.
like, how I put it, your determination. Yeah, nothing is too small. So yeah, from that angle, I guess it kind of makes sense.
You don't need to have something big before you can start something. You can make use of the small thing that you have to achieve something bigger. So the advice I'm going to give to our youths of nowadays is they will not wait for mommy and daddy to give them before they can achieve what they want. They can start from little, maybe by learning something, from learning how to make hair, anything of their choice, From learning that, they can make use of that to get one or two things from themselves, not waiting for mommy or daddy or begging around, or start doing what they're not supposed to do just to achieve what they want or what they want to get. They can start from anything, maybe by even selling, buy anything, doing buying and selling. From there, they can have something they want. That's my advice.
To emulate her, because it's a good thing. One of those things that people can do to make Nigeria proud, and at least it's one of those things that for the younger ones, to people to I advise the younger ones to put in their effort to make a record also in whatever field they want to do.
I would love to meet her if she gets to UNILAG, and I'll have to check if she's in shape, if the car is still good, in good condition. So I'd love to meet her myself.
Pelumi, in Nigerian, Yoruba girl, that's great. Yes, I'd like to see her. At least she would have broken the book of records, if it happens, if it's possible.
Yes, I would like to see her. I would like to see her. Yeah, in UNILAG, with that kind of decision she has taken to make use of what she has, not waiting for something bigger before she can achieve her aim. Oh, I would love to really meet her.
This is the part where they say the journey is better than the destination, right?
I would love to see her in UNILAG. Yeah, like seriously.
I hope she experiences everything she wants, Sha.
I would love to see her in UNILAG. Like seriously.
Like,
Pelumi, yeah, I would like to go on a road trip with you so we can drive around the world. You understand? You understand? That's all.
Johnny Miss or Mrs. Pelumi.
Don't worry, you see me at the gate.
I won't lay the red carpet.